Well, good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm back out here in my range. As you can see, about 10 feet away from me, or from you, are a couple targets. And today I'm going to be shooting my 1851 Navy revolver. It's all greased up and capped. 6.1 is on empty, so carefully put that down. And as you can see, there are a couple cans and a water jug filled with water. So, as a matter of fact, we might as well go and let you have a look right now. Pabst can, root beer, and Coke. Cans are empty. So, enough jibber jabbering. So let's get to the good part. Okay, let's do this. Starting with the Pabst beer can. And that was high. Holy cow, this thing is indeed high. Alright. Only got a few shots left, so let's go for the water jug. Okay, that was a hit. Now for the Coke can. Alright, let's go have a look. Damn! All the more reasons why you should never smoke. Well, I completely missed the cans. Let's see the impact. And I'll see an exit hole. And there's the entrance. Let's set it back up. Alright. I'll stop the video and reset. This time I'm going to lower my powder charge. See if that'll help a little bit. So, I'll be